Often there are victims that come to court that may be eligible for special measures. They're some of the more serious cases. You may have somebody in a rape trial, so they may use a video link, which is a separate room, to give their evidence.
Measures that are special would be removal of wigs and gowns if someone is under the age of 18, a video link for someone who's vulnerable and intimidated. There's also screening and closing of the public gallery in a court. The two main special measures we would deal with would be video links and screening. And screening is quite simple. It means just putting a huge curtain around the witness box and the witness will be escorted to the back of the court. The video link is totally different. It means the person doesn't attend court in person. They're in a different part of the building and there's a video link between the court and that particular room. Victim Support Witness Service would have a role there as well, in that we would provide the accompanying officer. So the accompanying officer goes into the link room, the only other person allowed in with them, and they provide moral support, and they're also there in case there are issues around technology problems, that they can flag that up to the judge and stop the trial.
This is the waiting facility for anybody who's going to use the video link. So this is a space that's comfortable for them to wait until they're called out into the actual video link room. So they would go into the main waiting room first, and then whenever they're told it's their time in the video link room, they would wait here just before they're called, and then they would go into the link room. This is also used for any comfort breaks. If someone gets distressed or there's a technical glitch with the equipment, this is the area where they would come and wait so that they're separate from other witnesses. It's also an area that's used for NSPCC Young Witness Service, and that's for young witnesses who are giving evidence in the remote link, is to make them relax before they go in. This is the video link room, and this is where witnesses would give evidence. So this is the TV screen. The image that they see is of the courtroom. So the first image they usually see will be the judge, who will introduce himself and explain to them this is the court procedure. The next thing will happen is staff will come in and use the Bible and get the witness to take their oath, and that's where they're sworn to give their evidence. The next person that will appear on the screen will be the prosecutor, who will ask them questions, and the next person they will see will be a defence representative, who will ask questions again. In this room, the judge has control over the overall image of the room, and there's a camera just up above where he can watch the accompanying officer, who is somebody from either ourselves, Victim Support Witness Service, or NSPCC Young Witness Service, who accompany the witness into the video link room. Some of the courthouses in Northern Ireland are set up that there's a private entrance where witnesses come through what's classified as a back door and enter into a secure area and wait there while they go to the video link room to give their evidence. And this gives them a bit of reassurance before they give their evidence and helps them stay calm. Other witnesses may not be known to the defendant and are given evidence in private, and that's where the courtroom is closed. It's called a closed court, and that's so other members of the public won't get to see their face while they give evidence. And for somebody who's in a particular type of case, it may be a murder trial where they don't know any of the accused or the injured party but have come along to give evidence. That may be very important for them.